Peaches, can you settle down at least for an hour? Like, every day I've been vacuuming. I vacuum everywhere, I vacuum there and there because you created a mess. You bring rocks, you get the socks in the closet, you bring wood from outside. Yeah. Why? Why can't you just settle down? Is it possible for you to settle down? Why can't you just settle down and just chill?
Yeah, why can't you?
You are terrorizing Peanut. Yeah, you are terrorizing Peanut. You are terrorizing Butter.
Peaches, admit nothing.
Why? Did you know that I'm tired cleaning every day? Where are you going? I'm still talking to you. Okay, interesting. Bye. Plus, hey, Peaches, listen to me. Did you know that Peanut and Butter does not jump into the counter? You're the only one who jumped in the counter. Are you even listening?
I'm sure she's yawning.
Of course. Look at me. Where are you going? This is a typical teenager look like right here. You will talk to them, but will not listen. Uh-huh. No, don't do that in the couch. No leaking in the couch. Plus you smell. Why? Oh my gosh. You need to take a shower. My goodness.